On this video, we're going to demonstrate how to design the cylinder of the shock absorber. So new part, okay. So we can sketch on right plane, sketch, normal 2, and then we sketch circle for the shock absorber eye. I'm going to sketch 3 circle. So smart dimension 30, 25, and 10. So this is our sketch. So pictures, extrude. So we goes mid plane. So we go 20. Alright, so we select this one and this one. Alright, check. So this is the spring eye. So we sketch on right plane, normal 2. We make one construction line from here to here. Okay, smart dimension. We put it 18. Enter. And then we draw one line here. Escape. And then we convert entities. This circle. Okay, check. And then we do a 3-point arc. The dimension first, this one should be 11. And then 3-point arc. Alright, escape. Put a smart dimension. She put it 5. Or we make it 4. Alright. Then we mirror entities. This line and this line. Mirror about this line. Check. And then we extrude features. Extrude boost. Mid plane 10. Check. Sketch is open. So to select. Okay. So it should be 10. Alright. So from here, we're going to sketch the cylinder. It's again on right plane. Normal 2. We make one center line. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to make the cylinder. So we sketch. Escape. Then we put the dimension. Mark dimension. This is 5. It's also 5. Then we fillet this one by 2. This one Okay, check. Then smart dimension, this one we put 100. Alright, so this one we put 15. Okay, we put it 10. Alright, if we change this one to 2. Alright, so done. We're going to go pictures and then revolve space. Check. So this is the cylinder for our shock absorber. Now we are going to cut here. So we open sketch. Alright, so the 25, we're going to use this sketch on the right plane, sketch. Okay, go smart dimension 25. Alright, and then we cut half. Should be exactly on the half. Skip. I think it's not on the half. Delete. Normal to sketch exactly. Alright. Okay. We trim one side. Then pictures revolve cut. Select this axis to cut. Check. Alright. So this is our cut. We added our first sketch. Edit. This we change to 15. Close. Alright. So now we can fill it. Fill it. Make it 2. Alright. This side also. And this space. Same on this space. Check. Alright, so we change the color, the part. Then we, okay, check. Okay, we save cylinder. Close.